I found this J14 Christmas magazine from 2016 in my house, and I thought it'd be fun to play a little game. So here are the rules. If I call out your favorite, your 2025 favorite, you're out, okay? The rules are simple. If you see them, you're out. I'm sorry about that, but let's go. Okay, starting off strong. Sabrina Carpenter. Look at this photo. They did our girl so dirty. If you said Sabrina Carpenter, I'm sorry, babe. You're out. All right, I'm flipping the page. Oh, random, but if you said The Weeknd, I'm sorry. You are officially out. All right, let's find a good one. Who's on this page? Bunch of random people. Okay, let's see. Oh, if you said Zendaya, I'm sorry, girl. You've lost your spot in this game. You've lost your spot. Oh, this is a good one. If you said Ariana Grande, ponytail era, this is the end of the road for you. And if you said, oh, Tila Dunn with the 2-page spread. If you said Tila Dunn, you're out. Tila, that's pretty cool. You got a 2-page spread. Okay, let's see. Oh, if you said Lynch, you're out. All right. Good night, guys.